Hello everyone, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. It is very hot right now in Missouri and we're getting multiple days of above 90-degree days, and the heat really make me want to make the classic cold dishes from Chengdu. So today I want to show you how to make this century egg salad with green peppers, aka 青椒皮蛋. In my previous video, I showed you a century egg salad with this flavorful sauce of chili oil, vinegar, and soy sauce. And today we're adding green peppers to it, and it's gonna be even more aromatic, and it's a classic combination for summertime. So now let's get started. First, let's take out the century eggs. I got mine from my local Asian grocery store, and they came packaged like this nicely. We'll need 3 eggs for this recipe. Century eggs are ready to eat out of the package, and no additional cooking is required. Crack the egg shell and gently peel the shell without breaking the egg. Slice the egg in half and then slice into quarters. The yolk is super sticky, so try to be extra gentle when slicing. Place the egg slices on the plate in a circle shape. Now let's roast the peppers. I'm using these long hot peppers. You can choose whatever you like. Add a little oil in a pan on medium heat. Start roasting the peppers. Rotate them when you see the skin starts to blister. We call this 虎皮, aka tiger skin in Sichuan. When the peppers are nicely roasted, take out and let cool. Slice the peppers into strips. Now place the sliced peppers in the middle of the plate. Next, let's make the sauce. Combine minced garlic, salt, soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and some homemade chili oil. I've linked my chili oil recipe on the screen. Top with some sesame oil, mix until all the sugar has dissolved. Pour the sauce on the peppers and century egg. Top with some green onion. Our beautiful century egg with green pepper is done. It is a perfect appetizer for the summer dinner table, and I'm drooling just by looking at it. This looks so good, so perfect, and it's honestly really easy to make. So now let's give it a try. The peppers are so flavorful, and they're roasted so perfectly that they're soft and easy to chew, and the flavor just melts in your mouth. Let's try a century egg. If you haven't tried century egg and you're kind of scared to try it, make this dish and you'll absolutely love it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please comment, like, and share, and subscribe to my channel if you love Sichuan recipes. I'll see you next time.